Permutation and combination. Till now we have learned the concept of factorial and we have done one or two questions based on factorial. Our next topic is a fundamental theorem of counting, extremely important theorem. Now to understand this one we have to take an example. Let's take an example that suppose you have 3 pencils and 2 erasers. Alright, and you need to go to school, and obviously you can take one pencil and one eraser, right? So what you can do, let me write the pencils as P1, P2 and P3 and the erasers as E1, E2. Alright, so what you can do, you can take P1 and E1, you can take P1 and E2, that means the first pen, second eraser, right? You can take P2 and E1, you can take P2 and E2, you can take P3 and E1 and P3 and E2. So how many possible combinations are there? 6. But this is interesting. Observe over here. How many ways you can select a pencil? 3. How many ways you can select an eraser? 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Isn't it? Very important. Now what it means, the summary. I think you have understood this example. There are 3 options in case of pencil. There are 2 after you have done with pencil. In case of eraser you have 2 options. So 3 into 2, total number of options is 6. Right? So what it means is that if you have, suppose you have to do an event 1 and suppose there are m ways to do this, and after that suppose you have to do another event 2 and there are n ways to do this event 2. So there are m ways to do event 1 and n ways to do event 2, and event 2 follows after event 1, right? So the total number of ways to do event 1 and event 2, both of them, is going to be m into n, right? So if there are 10 ways to do this and there are 6 ways to do this, so my total will be 60 ways, right? So this is fundamental theorem of counting. To summarize, if an event can be done in m ways and after that another event can be done in n ways, then the total number of ways of doing both the activities is mn. You can do in mn ways, right? So this is all about a theorem. In the next video we shall solve some numericals based on this particular theorem. Till then,